Hi viewers, let us see the concept of servo motor hardware explanation in today's video. So last time we have seen how can we simulate the servo motor concept by using Tinkercad software with the help of Arduino software. The same concept we are going to see about with the help of hardware setup. So let us see the programming in Arduino software. So for this, first we go for file and we can select the new, and the workspace area will be opened. So in this area we can write the program. So here I write the program for servo motor operation. That is, the concept of servo motor is only it is going to rotate in 180 degree from 0 to 180 degree. So it can be rotated for forward direction and also in reverse direction. So for this we have to take two iteration process. For forward direction in increment process done with the help of for loop, and for decrement process for anti-clockwise rotation the iteration process will be in negative operation. That is, we are going to decrement operation, and we are going to take the decrement operation in the for loop. So let us see the program. Hash include servo.h is the main library function which should be added in this Arduino program, because what are the operation we are going to perform in servo motor. For this we must add this library file. So hash include stdio.h is the main library file we are using in C program for adding the input output operation. Similar that we have to take hash include servo.h library file in Arduino software. Next, servo. The motor is declared with the help of small s variable. So capital S E R V O. Servo is declared in small s variable. Next we move to void setup function. Within this function we are going to attach our server motor with the help of pin number 3. So the digital pin 3 is connected with the servo motor in Arduino board. So this is a void setup function. Next we move to void loop function. So within this we are using two for loop. One for loop is used for increment operation, another for loop is used for decrement operation. So increment operation is mainly used for rotating the servo motor in forward condition, that means clockwise direction. Similarly, the decrement operation can be taken place for decrement rotation of the servo motor in anti-clockwise operation. So for int I equal to 0, I less than or equal to 180 and I plus equal to 10. Now we are initializing our iteration I value is equal to 0. Till now this I value is expanded 180 degree and it is incremented by 10 value. So initial value is 0. Next we move to 10 and 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Likewise this incremented value till 180. So for forward and clockwise rotation, this increment iteration is taken place in this for loop. So once this iteration is assigned, s dot write of I is taken place. So what is the exact value of I which is stored or written in this s dot write? After some time delay, it will move to the next for loop. So time delay value is taken as a 500. So again for I int I equal to 180, I greater than or equal to 0 and I minus equal to 10. So in this process the decrement operation is taken place. So initial value is I is 180 and it is decremented by 10. So 180, 170, 160, 150, likewise it is moved to till 0. So anti-clockwise rotation from 180 to 0. Here we are iterate our I value. So after completion of this decrement operation, s dot write of I is again taken with some time delay. So continuously this process is going on until you are stopped the program. let us see the working condition of this servo motor with the help of hardware. So after completion of this writing the program, we have to go for compilation. This tick is the compilation operation indication. Now I give the name servo. So my name of the program is servo, that is saved in the Arduino folder. So after compilation, the compilation process is going on. If the compilation process is over, done compiling is shown in this window. After we are going to move this uploading process. Now what happened? The entire program is uploading in this Arduino Uno board via this USB cable. So once this process is over, done uploading will be shown in this window. At the time, let us see the operation of servo motor. So the servo motor consists of 3 terminals. One terminal is power, another terminal is ground, third terminal is signal. The signal pin is connected with this digital pin 3, and power and ground is connected with this power area of ground pin and plus VCC pin. So when the motor is rotated in forward or clockwise, that is the first for loop is worked here. So incremented operation is taken place, and once the forward direction of rotation is over, again the motor is rotated in reverse, that is anti-clockwise rotation. Dear viewers, in this video we have seen the hardware operation of servo motor. I think everyone understand this concept. Last video we have seen the simulation concept in servo motor. Today we explained about how the same simulation concept is taken place in the Arduino Uno hardware itself. Once the input is given, automatically the compilation and uploading process is over. The motor is rotated again and again. Once the power is removed from the circuit, the servo motor is going to off condition. So that's all our concept of servo motor operation, both simulation and hardware with the help of Tinkercad's open source software and also Arduino Uno hardware. Thank you all. Once again we will meet in a different concept of Arduino hardware setup. Thank you all.